This is a short video to present you the IRIStool and Data Manager project that I developed for the InterSystems External Language Contest of October 2025. The project is divided into two modules, the IRIStool and the IRIS Data Manager. IRIStool is a Python module that actually provides you a complete integration between pandas and InterSystems IRIS. IRIS Data Manager is instead a UI made with Streamlit that allows you to perform all the data analysis stuff like data ingestion, visualization, data exploration, aggregation, and or else, okay, something else. So let's start with the IRIStool module. Let's see the code. The first thing to do is to download and clone the repository. So after this, we should have this folder, and we must now create a virtual environment for Python and install all the requirements that I have already done. Second thing is to run the containers. Okay, actually I have already run my containers, so let me run compose down and then compose up again. Docker compose minus the minus build. In this case, we are going to use two different images. Image one is the Olama image. Image 2 is the InterSystems IRIS community or InterSystems DC IRIS Health. The project has been tested with both images. So the container has been created, and on first run we should wait that Olama pull until Llama have pulled both the images of models, sorry. Models are defined here, so Gemma 2 billion and Gemma 3 1 billion. This will be used with the IRIS Data Manager to perform a text to SQL conversion. To check if the models have been pulled correctly, we can run this command $exec Olama IRIStool Olama list. And we can see, okay, in this case, actually I must pull the models again, okay, after the Docker compose down. So with Docker compose logs, I can see what's happening. And okay, retrieve model Gemma 3. So IRIStool is retrieving Olama is retrieving the models, while IRIS has been started. Okay. So let's run again the command. Okay, we have Gemma 2, we must wait for Gemma 3. Okay, now we have Gemma 3 also, and we can take a look to the first example, that is the entry point.py, sorry, the quickstart.py file. Okay, in particular, IRIStool is all contained into the folder utils IRIStool. IRIStool is a module that, as I said, provides you complete integration between Panda and IRIS to perform all the CRUD operations. And it allows you to check if a table exists, or if a view or if an index exists, and it allows you to create new tables and to convert data frame into an IRIS table directly, automatically recognizing the data types of all the columns and converting it into a SQL data type that is compatible with IRIS. And on the contrary, you can also fetch the columns and the data and convert them into a data frame. So in this quick start, we have two examples. Example number one is check if a table exists, creating the table. The table is employee, inserting some data into the tables and fetching them. Example number two is creating a data frame and converting directly the data frame into an IRIS table. And this will be the function that will be recognize the data types and converting them into SQL data types compatible with IRIS. Then we're gonna fetch the data, perform another insert, an update, and finally creating a view. So let's run the UV run quickstart.py. And okay, let's wait. Okay. Employee table found, so the table is deleted and then it's created again. Inserting data, and step 3 is retrieving data, okay, and converting the data from IRIS into a data frame. And this is the description of the data frame, okay. Then we retrieve also the information. It is possible to retrieve information about columns and indices of a table. Then this is example number 2, where we define a data frame and we invert the types of the columns and we convert the data frame to a table. We actually were performing other steps like dropping tables, creating indexes, inserting rows, updating rows, okay, and finally creating a view. We can look at the containerized IRIS instance management portal to see if we have all these tables. And it is here, I believe. Okay, SQL. Sorry. Okay. So I am into this. Let's run again. Okay. So system and password is sys. Okay, default user and password. I'm on the space user and on SQL. You can see here the SQL user employee table. Okay, so example number 1, and then example number 2 is jazz.musicians. Okay, and there is the view as well. Okay, and we can see also the data types. Okay. So as we've seen, the IRIStool provides you a complete integration between pandas and IRIS.